Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to split screen in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Okay, so if you want to split screen in Windows 11 or Windows 10, so what you have to do, first of all, you have to click on this Windows and start key or Windows key, and here you have to search for setting option. Okay, so when you go to setting, you will see like this options here. Okay, wait for a few seconds, and here you will see system, and in system options here you will see multitasking off. So you have to make sure that it is on. Okay, so after that what you have to do, you have to click or press Windows button plus left arrow or right arrow. Okay, so I am going to click left arrow. Okay, so like this, now you can choose any one of them. So I want to choose this Google Chrome. So you will see that like this you can split screen in your uh, Windows 11 or Windows 10. You can also minimize the size of one Windows and another Windows. So like this you can use this. So like this you can split screen in Windows 11. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.